we'll guide you through how to get the latest Claude news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your preferred web browser on your desktop and open it up. In the search bar, type in the website address for Claude's official page, which is typically claude.com. Once the site loads, look for the News section, which is usually found in the top navigation bar. Click on it to access the latest updates and announcements. If there's an option to subscribe to a newsletter, make sure to enter your email address and subscribe. This way, you'll receive regular updates directly in your inbox. Now, let's say you want to get real-time updates. You need to follow Claude on their official social media profiles. Go to Twitter or X, as it might be called now, and in the search bar type Claude's official handle. Follow their account to see instant news and updates on your feed. Similarly, you can do this on platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn if they have an official presence there. For more in-depth discussions and community updates, consider joining relevant forums or discussion groups where Claude enthusiasts gather. You might find these on websites like Reddit or specialized tech forums. By following all these steps, you'll always be in the loop about what's happening with Claude. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.